Okay, today is Monday, and I have decided to try to walk to my mailbox. Probably a crazy idea considering I'm going to have to walk back up this hill, but just in case y'all want to journey with me. I don't know why, but lately whenever I come outside I get out of breath. I think it's because it's cold. Just slipped. That's not a good sign. Hope y'all are having a good day. We'll flip it back and see my view of the winter wonderland that we live in at the present moment. So, unfortunately, the temperatures have not gotten up very high enough to melt. I think maybe a little today because the sun was out for a little while. It looks kind of cloudy now, but this is my neighbors. They have, get up here closer, you'll see these beautiful trees they have against their house, and they've got snow on them. It just makes them beautiful. Let's see if you can see right there, those trees. I love those. Okay, back to paying attention to what I'm doing. This is a solid sheet of ice I'm walking on. I think I'm going to walk over on the side in the actual snow. Problem being is that even though I'm walking in the snow, there's ice underneath. So just don't have much to grip. I am wearing my own boots today instead of anybody else's. I might have to call and get a ride back up, but we'll see. As you can see and hear the snow, and you can see this hill. I might end up sliding down on my bottom. That would not be good. Especially since I've fussed and fussed because my dad decided to go for a walk a couple days ago and fell, just like I'm getting ready to do. And I told him, do not go back out of the house, and here I am. I told my son I have just enough of Papa in me that I'm getting stir crazy not being able to get out of my house. So I'm trying to walk to the mailbox, but I don't know if I'm going to be successful. Anyhow, now you can see how long it takes for me to, what a journey it is to the mailbox. The only thing is, I can go much faster when we don't have the snow issue. My son will kill me if I call him in a few minutes and say, can you pick me up at the bottom of the hill? But, seriously, considering it at the moment, he hasn't had to work because he's a school teacher and school has been canceled. So, shoo, I'm about halfway. My mailbox is way down there. I don't know if this is going to work or not. I'm trying really hard. I'll be really mad if I get down there and there's no mail. I'm ticked off. But that's what it is. My inbox says I have mail. And I could have driven down, but really just wanted to be outside for a minute. I don't know what kind of tracks that is, but it's not very comforting. I can say that. Wow. Those are huge tracks. I'm not liking that. Okay. Well, still on the move. Ooh, I don't know. like to be a quitter, but seriously considering it. Another one of those big tracks. I do not like this, especially considering I wouldn't be able to go very fast. I can't go very fast in normal conditions. Wow. I'm going to push pause while I get to the rest of the way here, and then I will video maybe some more in a minute on whichever route I choose to go upward. Okay. Back to videoing. I'm almost at the bottom, just showing you that I made it alive without falling so far. Do have a little area here to go, and there's no snow I can crunch down in. I ought to go to the mailbox. I mean, are you kidding me? Should have just drove. But me being me, wanted to journey out. So pretty down here though. Once you get out, you see how beautiful everything is. Beautiful out there. Voila, I've got mail. Yay. And this is my other neighbor. Beautiful, beautiful snow. Just treacherous though. Treacherous. And the decision is, do I try to journey up? I think I'm going to. I don't want to bother anybody if I can make it. And I'm going to follow. I'll walk in the snow. Like I said, the problem with the snow is there's ice underneath. You can feel it. You feel your feet go down, but then it's on a sheet of ice. So that's the issue with the snow that we got. I don't know when we've had one exactly like this where it stayed so long, didn't melt, and just sat on top of the ice. Journeying pretty good. This is a preview. Beautiful. Oops! There I went. Okay. Well, hold on. Okay, just so you know, I survived. And I'm now being driven by Elisha. Because no way. I was not going to make it up that hill. I fell twice and decided to give in and call him. I'm going to get off because he's going to scare me, I know.